Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. The Supreme Court on Thursday issued a notice on a plea filed by the National Testing Agency, the NTA, seeking the transfer of petitions relating to the NEET UG 2024 examination from the High Court to the Apex Court. A bench headed by Justice Vikram Nath has also stayed proceedings before the different high courts across the country. The Apex Court reiterated that it will not stop the counselling process. Supreme Court has also issued a notice to the Centre and NTA on petition filed by some students who appeared in the Meghalaya Centre for NEET UG exam and allegedly lost 45 minutes and prayed that they should be a part of the 1,563 students who got grace marks and were given option to reappear for exam scheduled for June 23rd. The Supreme Court has also posted the pleas for hearing on July 8. The Supreme Court has posted the pleas for hearing on July 8. The NEET UG 2024 exam was conducted on May 5 and its results were declared on June 4, ahead of the scheduled announcement date of June 14. Protest held alleging irregularities in paper leaks as the results show that as many as 67 students had topped the exam with a perfect score of 720. Petitions have been filed in courts by students seeking a retest. The Supreme Court has allowed a retest of over 1,500 students who were awarded grace marks. The NEET UG examination conducted by the National Testing Agency paves the way for admission to MBBS, BDS, Ayush and other related courses in the government and private institutes across the country. On June 13, the NTA informed the Supreme Court that the scorecards of 1,563 candidates who were awarded grace marks in the NEET UG 2024 exam would be cancelled and these candidates would have an option to reappear for the exam on June 23rd, the results of which will be declared on June 30th or forego the compensatory marks given for the loss of time. On Tuesday, the Apex Court emphasized that any negligence, even as small as 0.001% in the conduction of a NEET UG 2024 examination would be addressed thoroughly. A vacation bench of Justice Vikram Nath and SBN Bhatti told advocates representing the Centre and the National Testing Agency that any such negligence must be dealt with seriousness. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.